Okay, right, today we're back at it. It may be a little bit windy. Just bear with me. I do work outside. Driveway build. So, yeah, right, today's episode is going to be injector seats, aluminum injector seats getting put in. You can, these are designed for AGU, big port. And you can also put in, they also got adapters, should say, for S3 injectors, But yeah, we ain't running S3s. In this little kit, they give you rubber bushes, little O-rings. That goes onto this and also goes onto your injectors. We'll get back to that in this video, hopefully. Right, I have tested it to make sure she does fit. So what I'm gonna do is just a little bit of grease, nothing too much because it's getting into aluminium. It felt a bit tight last time I put it in. Some of you may sit here and say no, but hey, as I say, a little bit of grease don't hurt nothing. All you need is just a little bit on the threads. Bang. Make sure she goes in. She is a messy part, so should have got a cloth. Just bear with me, let me get a cloth. Got one. I have cleaned the threads out as well, so if you were wondering, they gotta literally be in almost completely straight. These are like the plastic ones where you use a 28mm Allen key. Like I said, these are for adapters, so they don't have the adapter pieces where you put the Allen key straight into it. That's what I'm talking about. Got some grips. Just gonna adjust them to coordinate. You just want to be able just to grip it. Don't want to grip onto too much, because then you start damaging it. And then just slightly just twist it here, like so. She might get a bit tight, just go back and then go for it again. Then she'll start getting in. But fortunately, I'm not having that problem. I put it in last time without the grease, as I was showing you. And yeah, she was tight. So this is why I put a little bit of grease on her. As you can see, she's starting to go a bit tight. So I'm just going to go back a couple turns. Just give it a slight twist. Nothing too serious. Bang. And then go again. What I should have done was took the inlet manifold off to get a better insert on it, which that's what I think I'm going to end up doing. And then I'll get back to you after I take it off and then resume. Right, so I'm just going to sit here, take out these 5mm Allen keys on this, on the inlet manifold, on an AGU, like I said. Right, you want to be careful as you're taking these out because you don't want to sit here and drop the Allen key bolts on inside of where your injectors or your injector seats will go. Once you do that, hopefully you got a magnet to get it out. If you don't, then you got to go fishing. My Scirocco cover has been powder coated. My inlet manifold also has been powder coated, black. But in time, I'm looking to get it dip dyed, hydro dipped, so I can get like different sort of design onto it. I'm not sure exactly what it's going to be yet, but yeah. I do have a gasket for this to go on. When I put it on, I didn't have a gasket, but I have one now. And if you're looking at this video, you're seeing all the engine rebuilds and the other video of the breakdown of what's been done. Now, just to sit here, keep you up to date with what's been done. Engine mounts has been sitting and fabricated on the gearbox side. The original engine mount was designed for VR6 in a Mark 1 Golf. But the Mk2 Scirocco chassis engine bay is also fabricated off a Mark 1 Golf, Mark 1 Scirocco, and a Cabrio. This one seems a bit tight. I don't know why. Let's give it a little. Right, as my back is off, a little bit of scarring. Should have used a cloth on it. Should have. But unfortunately, I will in the next one. So as I said, best to take it off. Then you can get it in. I'm sure there is a tool out there for this, you know, to put these in, but unfortunately I don't have it. I have some grips. She is in. And see, can I get it done flush? So she has a nice tight seal. She ain't gonna go, don't force her, you know. But yeah. But I do believe these are meant to sit flush inside the inlet. Bang. So that's what I got to so far. She don't look like she's gonna come out. But if I can get it done a little bit more, I am. I already got one in. It's just the wrong one. Feels like she's supposed to be sitting a little bit more. I'm gonna try to get it down a bit more. And she's in. I'm just going to repeat that process. These threads look like they need a re-clean. I have cleaned them before. Should have brought my brush out with me to clean out the threads a bit. If in doubt, wire them and you should be able to get the threads back clean. So yeah, so we're going to resume once they all get put in.